Healthcare practices are busy. It's hard to stay on top of everything in this time-consuming industry. But patients demand that organizations keep up with social trends, and that includes having a social media presence. Adding this to your plate may not seem like a priority, especially if you're having trouble getting your patients through the door in the first place, but social media can help with that tremendously. It might be overwhelming just thinking about adding another to-do to your laundry list of daily activities, but this marketing technique can benefit your organization in so many ways. Hi everyone, I'm Matt Moneypenny, and today I'm going to give you some of the many benefits of using social media within healthcare. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. While you're down there, you might as well hit that alert bell icon next to it so that when we post new helpful content, you get notified. The number one reason why you should use social media is because your patients are already using it. 2.65 billion people worldwide use social media today. This is expected to increase to 3.1 billion by 2021. That's only 1 year from now. 80% of patients that were surveyed said they've made a health-related search in the past year. Not only that, but 63% of them said that they would choose one healthcare provider over another if they had a strong social presence. If your organization is on social media, these patients will see you when they search for health-related topics. Social media will help you build a relationship with these patients before they even come into your office. 54% of millennials and 42% of all adults say that they'd like to follow or be friends with their health professional on social media. If patients can connect with you through social media, they'll be more inclined to visit your office and feel more comfortable when they come for your appointments since they're already familiar with you. Since so many patients are on social media, this gives you the chance to educate them on health-related topics. There's so much fake news, especially related to healthcare. False information spreads 6 times faster than the truth on the social web. This is why it's important that credible information is out there and your organization can help do that. Social media gives you the chance to spread awareness on certain health topics and promote a healthy life cycle. This platform also gives you the chance to brag a little bit about your success. You can post about activities your organization is doing within the community, showing that you care about your patients and where they live. You can also showcase any achievements and accomplishments, proving that you're credible and trustworthy as a practice. Social media is also a great way to share customer success stories through testimonials and reviews. 42% of those who view health information on social media look at health-related customer reviews. When viewers see positive testimonials, they'll be more likely to visit you. 92% of customers will hesitate to use a service if it lacks reviews entirely. That's why it's so important that you're on social media and sharing testimonials you have, so that prospective patients will consider coming to you. Using social media helps you reach a larger audience that you wouldn't otherwise reach. People such as reporters or bloggers may link back to you or decide to feature you on their own pages. This helps you reach even more of an audience that you weren't targeting before. Not only does using social media attract new patients, but it can also attract other professionals who might want to work for your practice or help your organization in some other way. 90% of physicians use social media, and 65% are using it specifically for professional reasons. This is a great way to network with other professionals. Our final benefit is that social media is a cost-effective form of marketing. There's no startup cost. While it may take some time to develop a marketing strategy, social media platforms are free to use. This will help you start getting experience and reaching more audiences, and eventually you can choose to invest more into it through advertising or through some other tool. Plus, the new patients you gain through social media marketing will lead to more company revenue. It might seem like a lot of work to start using social media, but you can start small and work your way into using it more. The results won't be immediate, but over time, you'll see the impact as more patients learn about you online. There's no denying that patients use social media, so if your organization uses it too, they'll be more likely to hear about you. Seeing your practice's accomplishments, success stories, and the educational information you put out there on the social web will help your prospective customers trust you and want to become your patients. If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of using social media within healthcare, reach out to eTactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below.